Printful versus Tapstitch. Choosing the right print-on-demand service can completely change how you grow your custom merchandise business without worrying about inventory or shipping hassles. Both offer unique features and pricing models to consider. Printful and Tapstitch are popular print-on-demand platforms designed for creators and businesses. The core difference lies in Printful's extensive product range and integrations versus Tapstitch's focus on streamlined design tools and competitive pricing. Printful is a comprehensive print-on-demand service that handles everything from printing and fulfillment to shipping. It connects seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, allowing users to automate order processing. Printful offers a wide variety of products including apparel, accessories, and home goods, all printed with high-quality techniques. Its strengths include reliable global fulfillment centers and detailed branding options such as custom labels and packaging inserts. However, Printful's pricing tends to be higher, which might affect profit margins for smaller sellers. The platform is ideal for businesses looking for a robust, scalable solution with diverse product offerings and strong integration capabilities. Printful supports international shipping with transparent tracking, making it a solid choice for brands targeting multiple markets. Tapstitch is a newer print-on-demand platform that emphasizes ease of use and affordability. It provides a curated selection of customizable apparel and accessories, focusing on quality basics and trendy designs. Tapstitch's standout feature is its intuitive design studio, which allows users to create and pre-build products quickly without needing advanced design skills. The platform offers competitive pricing and lower base costs compared to many competitors, making it attractive for startups and budget-conscious sellers. While Tapstitch has fewer product options and integrations than Printful, it excels in simplicity and cost efficiency. Tapstitch is best suited for small businesses or individual creators who want to launch a print-on-demand store quickly with minimal upfront investment and straightforward tools. Comparing Printful and Tapstitch highlights a trade-off between variety and affordability. Printful's extensive product catalog and global fulfillment network support businesses scaling internationally with complex branding needs. Its integrations with popular e-commerce platforms automate workflows but come with higher costs. Tapstitch offers a leaner product range but compensates with user-friendly design tools and lower prices, ideal for beginners or those testing new ideas. If you prioritize product diversity and premium branding, Printful is the better fit. For fast setup and budget-friendly launches, Tapstitch stands out. Both platforms handle printing and shipping efficiently, but your choice depends on whether you value features or cost savings more. Choose Printful if you need a broad product selection, advanced branding options, and seamless integration with established e-commerce platforms for long-term growth. Tapstitch is ideal for creators seeking affordable, easy-to-use print-on-demand services with straightforward design tools. It's perfect for startups or small businesses looking to launch quickly without compromising quality. Both platforms serve different needs, so pick the one that aligns with your business goals.